We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words and some of the most mispronounced ones as well in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English first, it is usually said as phenomenon, phenomenon. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the na syllable. In American English, however, it is usually said as phenomenon, phenomenon. In American English, a more open R sound rather than an O sound. Phenomenon, a long R sound at the end. Phenomenon in American English versus phenomenon in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.